For this course, EDAD 614, I looked at a lot the standards. Few that I want to focus on is 3.1, to monitor and evaluate school management and operational systems. I don't know anything about that. That would be great to learn more about it. 3.2, candidates understand and can effectively use human, physical, and technology resources to manage school operations. I have not been in charge of that, so I'd like to learn more for being an admin. I think both of these sections under ELCC were a great match for the core CPs and discussions. I'm really hoping to use the ELCCs to learn more about evaluations, human resources, and system management. How do they relate to me as a future educator, administrator? I really think the goal of the class is to learn about better administration, to learn about systems, managing, hiring and fire, evaluations, all the human staff part of teaching, and I think that'd be good to know about. And the assignments, I don't know anything about retention of teachers, so I'm glad this is a CP so I can do research. The other topics for the CPs, I got this. This I think I can do for this coursework. I'd like to learn more about systems management. I mean, I've heard that term. I had a boss that used to use it, but I don't have any training in it. I don't know what it really means, so I'm glad this class is going to teach me. Any experience? One of the CPs is about recruitment and retention. I haven't done that yet, but I can. I do know I've been on many interviews. I just went one for a district where all the schools could do interview at once in a big setting. It's a very interesting concept, lots of networking. I like it. I also noticed in my past 3 jobs that EdJoin works for recruitment, and some administrators even go out of state to recruit to our beautiful Monterey area. I need to share my personal experience with evaluations, some techniques and strategies, what worked and didn't. I had some good evaluations where people were nice and respectful. And I've had some hard evaluations. I didn't agree at all on what they were saying. They were breaking ideal laws for SPED kids, and I reported it. And then they were mad at me, but I told them and they didn't fix it. Our kids need the right amount of paraprofessionals. So I really think I got a new job where the evaluations were fair, and it totally made sense. I liked it. And it has to happen. There's being a right fit. When I was admin designee, I had an admin position to go and do feedback. I really enjoyed it. I had an Excel spreadsheet I made, and I had info. The teachers could have a two-way format to communicate, and constant feedback. That's the crucial versus 1 to 2 meetings. A weekly or once a month is better than once or twice in the whole year. I think the continuous model of learning and evaluation is crucial, and I'm excited to take